Alright, what's up guys? It's Will back again with episode number 4 of the Backyard Trail Restoration series. And today we're just gonna kind of do some repairs on the trail since it's kind of been raining really hard lately. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna work on this berm, pack it down a little more, kind of level it out because there's still kind of like some little ruts in it. And then after that, we're gonna work on the jump, fix that up a little bit. Today's gonna be kind of a short video, just a little bit of repairs because of, like I said, the rain. So it's just going to be a little repair day. So I'll put in a time lapse of the berm repair. Alright guys, so that was a really quick and easy job. Just kind of smoothed it out a little bit. Packed on the back because the back is really loose. So now it's a little better. And it's kind of just looking a little smoother. I didn't really need to fill in any dirt. So yeah, it's looking pretty good right now. So right now we'll work on the lip because that's pretty much non-existent after the rain, and so I'll get to that right now. Alright guys, just like that, looks better than new. It's the best it's ever looked, and you should be able to get some good amount of air right into that down ramp and just enough speed to get into that berm really good. So next, the double looks like a pile of shit right now, so we gotta work on this. There were some kids and from the neighborhood digging around here trying to make it better, but that didn't really work. So I'll get into fixing that one right now. This should probably be the longest segment of the video, and I'll get that done right now. Alright, and just like that, we're done, and it's looking great. I'm gonna have to fix that landing eventually. It's a little bit off-centered, but I'll probably do that off video. I won't put that in a video since it's such a small little job. But yeah, this is packed down. The launch is so smooth now. It's really smooth, packed down really well. Should get some really nice air off of that. And today was a nice productive video, short, but got the job done, and I'll upload it and it should be a good video. So thanks for watching, as always. See you next time. Also follow my Instagram at mtb_430. So follow that, and then I'll keep you guys updated on when I'll be uploading, what it'll be about, and yeah, the day I upload it, I'll post something there when I'll be uploading. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.